So I wasn't using any mic in the rest of the video, but now I'm using mic, and it is the mic of this video kit, and you can see my voice is much better and much clearer. So I'm very super excited about this kit, honestly. Hey guys, so join me to unbox this beautiful YouTube kit that I just acquired. I can't wait to start using it. So this is how it is, and if you want to move it, you just press these two buttons. Okay, see, you can move it the way you want. You can either fix the mic here, or you fix it here, or you fix it here, depending how you want to use it. Okay. So when you fix the mic, you have to tighten it. Okay, so it doesn't fall down just like it did. See. And for the light, it uses battery. I had to go and buy the battery because it didn't come with the battery. So this is a 3 battery. So when you get yours, go and buy the battery, okay? Right now, I'm going to turn on the light and test the microphone. So, and the light actually has 3 stages. See it? Okay. Okay, it's off right now. So when you press here, 1, see how the brightness is. 2, it keeps increasing. 3, this is the highest one. Okay, then it go off. So I'm testing the microphone. Now what I'm actually using now is the microphone. So I'm just doing testing right now, and I want to say, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, okay? And I will really appreciate you for that. Thank you. I want to put it on the table. Okay, so this is just what I'm going to do. It has these 2 things. So just open here and open here, and you can set it on the table. Okay, so I'm going to turn this. All right, just to hold this thing how you want to do it. So you see, it can stand on the table comfortably. Let me show you. Can you see how it is on this table? Sorry, I'm trying to move the camera. Yeah, can you see how it is standing on the table comfortably? Alright, so that is it. So I wasn't using any mic in the rest of the video, but now I'm using mic, and it is the mic of this video kit, and you can see my voice is much better and much clearer. So I'm very super excited about this kit. Honestly, it's worth it, and it's very it's very affordable. I bought it like 45 reais. That is approximately $8 to $9. So it's worth it. It's very good. Okay. It also has this remote control that you can use. Okay, I just turned it on now. See, you can off it and you can turn it on. You can use it like when you are making a video and you're far away from your camera, you just use this remote control to turn on your phone, and then you start making your video from a distance. Okay, And it also has this stuff that I don't know what it is. I haven't figured out what to do with it. So if you know what this stands for, please let me know in the comment section below, okay? If you ask me, I'll tell you that it's worth it, okay? It's worth it. The sound, the mic is very good, it's working. The light is very wonderful. Because of my glasses, this ring light is affecting my eyes. I don't know if you can see it. So I think this way would be better for me to use, okay, because of the reflections of the ring lights on my eye that I hate so much on my glasses. So this is it. It is worth buying, and you are definitely going to love it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.